Video will discuss regarding how to make a WordPress website. Okay, so first of all, you come on the wordpress.com. Welcome to WordPress, which is the most popular website builder. So to make a WordPress website, first of all, when you have reached on the website, click on this option link, then click on this sign up. Okay, so the sign up option will open. There you type your email address. So for example, I am typing it. Okay, that will be a bit confidential. Okay, so uh, we'll type my username also. Okay, so here we'll have like so we'll have to blur it. Okay, so due to some uh, or we can continue with our Google account also. Okay, we can continue with our Google accounts, and so we can have continue with our Google accounts also. And when we continue with our Google account, now here we can choose the domain name. Okay, so you can get a free 1 year domain registration without any paid annual plan also. If you are okay, so there is first of all we can choose it. For example, I have to choose eduscience plus eduscienceplus.com or eduscienceplus.wordpress.com, because that will be free. First of all, we can take the free domain. Okay, so I'm choosing it. So now see what results we get. Okay, so this is free for this year. Okay, so now first of all we will get back. Now the options which we are getting, we can see that this is free. eduscience plus .in is also free, so we can take this because that is the free, which is the best alternative. Okay, so we take this. We have selected this, which we are getting it. Okay, so first of all, you can start with business and start with the premium. Okay, start with personal. Let's this website has come up. Now eduscience plus.in, which is the domain registration. Now if we will delete this, okay, so we can get just that also. Okay, there was some problem. It is showing US $15. If we get back and we see it, if we can get it in just reduced price also, because we were seeing the eduscience plus.in. So eduscience plus.co.in, if we check if we can get any other in free, because they are saying that is free, but actually as we saw that we have to pay. So let's see if we can get any just completely free, or then otherwise we will take that only. So let's see, we can try .co.in is also fine. We can see this also if we can get for this, but that is also showing that there is we have to pay at this. Okay, So if we get back and we say that if we can get the free domain completely free of cost, then that will be the best thing if we can get it. Oh, so first of all, it's showing the name. Now let's see what happens. So my site, if I go to this, now free domain with a plan. So the eduscienceplus.wordpress.com that we are getting, because the eduscienceplus.wordpress.com. Okay, so the welcome to your new site. Now when you will, yeah, so this eduscienceplus.wordpress.com, that website you will get for free of cost. Like if we the xyz.wordpress.com, that you will get for free. Like if you want to just first of all try and get some experience, and after that you can get so now there are many options. We can have the desktop site also, because that will just create a bit more like easy. Okay, so the domain name is there. Welcome to your new site. Okay, so now customizing your new site, we can check out at learn.wordpress.com, and we can learn here that how to customize your site. Now let's visit the site and see what are the options which are available and how we can make a page. Okay, so now visit site. When I click on it, then I get this title, the site title. Okay, so the site title, your site has not been launched, only you see until it is launched. So now see, let's how to launch site. So we click on launch site, then we see it. Okay, so the domain name we have as chosen. Okay, so this is like, okay, so enters your site's name or some descriptive keywords to get. So get a free, you can claim your free website domain later if you aren't ready yet. So now let's see if we can get any. Okay, so this is your current first site address, and skip purchase if we clear. So we are now getting a plan that we can choose. In the $4 we are getting the best free domain for 1 year, best in class hosting, remove wordpress.com ads, collect payments, unlimited customer support. Okay, so there are many options available, like $4 per month, $8 per month, $25 per month, $45 per month, and these are different plans. So we will like choose the cheapest one first of all and see how it goes, and later on we can try up new things. So this was it is, or start with a free website. We have started, so your site will be live shortly. So now we started with a free website. Now this is a free website, eduscienceplus.wordpress.com. so you have launched your site. So now we have launched the site, and show site setup. So now let's see the site setup. Now let's give a site a name. Okay, so like I would give it a name your site. I clicked on this. Okay, so all done, continue. Okay, so now we will put that later on. First of all, we can put the site title. So I put the site title as Edu Science Plus, which is my edtech like organization name. Okay, so you can check out our EduScience Plus YouTube channel also if you want to see some educational content. Okay, so here we post some other type of content. Cancel. So now let's see this, how we can get, and now what the tagline which we can choose. So we can choose see something educating, see something. We can keep this title as see something educating, see something new. This we can keep up. That will be a nice title. Let's see this. Or we can we can choose something that which will be related to our that particular, I would say, like okay, so we can choose something which would be related to particularly to our like niche. That would be better. So like here we provide intro like guidance for and the preparation material for various type of exams. So we can write like exam preparation for like we can write or better tagline will be uh, educational content for KVPY for ISER exam, KVPY ISER, KVPY NEST, NEET and JEE exam. So we have kept this title, sightline title, educational content for ISER, KVPY, NEST, NEET, JEE exam. Okay, so now let's put this and see how it goes on. Okay, so now site time zone, I would say we can like yeah, that is we will, if we are choosing for India, then we will keep Kolkata only, like that is the GMT factor. Okay, so privacy is public, it is visible to everyone. And now what are the different things which are available? Okay, so eduscienceplus.com, so there is public, the footer credit, change footer credit, you can customize your website by choosing the footer credit. Site tools, change your site address, register a new domain or site so okay, we can delete the content, delete your site website. So let's see the site tools. So first of all, we don't want to change the address right now, we don't want to delete any content because this is just a new website. So all the settings, rest of the settings are fine. Yeah, so we can save it and then we can consider further. So let's save the settings. So good job, looks great. So now return to home and see any statistics of post or media, other like options which are available, plugins, tools. So now let's we see, I would say that we will go to tools. Okay, so we will go to tools, we have saved, so we will return to my home. I think we could save again. Yeah, settings saved successfully. So now it's saved, now it will easily go tools. So tools, explore your business tool market, want to build a great brand, start with a great logo, create beautiful designs and graphics for website. Canva, actually there is Canva, I have the like the complete pro version also, that also GitHub, we got the free through college ID. So there is explore business market tool places, want to build a great brand, start with a great logo, and we can explore the business tools. So QuickBooks, Evernote, productivity, finance, project management, productivity. So there are many tools and these are now paid. I would say that we can learn more from our experience, that would be better. Now first we should see that there are marketing tools, there is connections, there is publicize your post. Okay, this is good, this is nice feature, the connections that you can connect with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr and other social media, Instagram, Google Photos. So this is good one, that we can link with Facebook and Twitter and with different things. Now this is a good option. Sharing buttons are there, we can share, show like and sharing buttons. Okay, so this is option which is there in WordPress, this is also nice. Okay, nice thing. Okay, we can share directly on Twitter, Facebook or WordPress, so we can share, this is also a nice option. Okay, so now see the business tools that we have seen. So this sharing buttons and connections is good, and traffic which will show like traffic. Okay, thumbnail image were available. So these three things are important, I would say. which will be, because marketing tools, business tools you can use when you have grown, but in the first starting part you can use these three options: connections with the other social media handles and sharing buttons and traffic. We can consider to take there. Okay, so this is there. Now uh, let's see the post, if we can post, like how to post, because that is one. So introduce yourself. Now let's add a new post and see how we will have a post, because like how the hosting is there, that is also a good question, because I also don't know much details. I'm learning this, and hopefully we'll get it, so that let's see it. Okay, so welcome to WordPress. Start a tour, I would say skip it. Let's, and when now we have to post something. Okay, so now let's have a short post. Okay, so let's try title, and we can write title as ISER exam preparation. ISER exam preparation. Or we can like have yeah, ISER aptitude test, I would say that. ISER aptitude, or we can have a KVPY post, KVPY exam. Alright, that has a good traffic, so ISER we would choose that. So ISER aptitude test 2020, ISER aptitude test. Okay, so let's ISER aptitude test. Now let's put some like type, so we can write ISER aptitude test is exam through SCB channel for admission to ISER. ISER aptitude test is exam through SCB channel for admission to ISER. Okay, so the to get details of exam, can check out videos on Edu Science Plus YouTube channel, where will get content related to ISER. Okay, so ISER exam, and have guidance preparation courses for ISER. Have guidance preparation course for ISER, which link is as follows. Link is as follows. Okay, so we will put the link later on, because we can edit it. First we can save the draft. Okay, so that we can save the draft. We can see other tools also, if we can get the, what are the other tools. So there is one this tool through which you can edit. Okay, there is one this tool through which you can like get back. Okay, you can get back. There is one this tool, which is this information 2006 63 character words, 45 headings, 0 11 blocks. So these are the and this is the paragraph. Okay, so there are different options which are available. So we will have more features also, and we will discuss it. So we saved the draft, I think, if the draft is saved, yeah. So we saved the draft. Like sometimes, because in the starting you will not that have that much experience, so you can make some mistakes. So save the draft so that your time is not wasted. and it is productive. Okay, so now let's edit the post. So now we can publish it and see, stick to the top of the blog. I would say that author Pranav Dhingra, permalink, categories, tags. There are tags which we can put. These tags I think will make a good role in the SEO. So we can make put tags. I would say that tags would play good role. So we can make tag also. We can make this tizer. Okay, I think like in YouTube there is a comma. So will it work by comma? Yeah, like you put comma, it will get another tag. So now let's put ISER aptitude test 1. Let's put ISER exam. Let's put ISER aptitude test preparation. Okay, so ISER exam cutoff we can put, because these are some of the titles the student search. ISER, the tags are going on right. I would say that there was some mistake. So we can see it now. We can put ISER aptitude test pattern, test pattern, mock test student search. So ISER mock test, that is a very like a good keyword. ISER mock test. Now their other tag can be ISER Pune, that is also there. Then there is ISER admission process. There is ISER application form. The students search. There was a wrong application form. Then there is ISER. After that there is student search about ISER result. Oh fuck. There was like, see, this is how we got some mistake, that we were not able to save the draft and just it got back and the time got wasted. Okay, so I think this is thing which we need to keep in mind. I think we will put the tags later on now, because otherwise it will take a lot of time. Okay, so we can just put some tag, I think in the first bit, ISER aptitude test, and we should keep saving the draft on regular basis. I think we should, this is a thing which you learn by mistakes, because okay, so now I think after every 2 tags we should, but after some time you will get line. If you use laptop, then that will be bit more like easy. Now put ISER aptitude test preparation. Okay, so now ISER cutoff. Okay, ISER answer, ISER answer key 2021. We can keep like this. We can keep ISER answer key 2021. Then we can put as ISER, we can put ISER Pune. As title we can put ISER result date 2021. the students like search, we can save draft again, because otherwise if we will have to repeat again everything. Iser application form 2021. Okay, how I think we can have this much tags now, and later on we will have more tags. And here we have saved draft also, so we can publish it and we can see other settings also if there are. Yeah, when we publish on setting, then we get this like full view, stick to the top of the blog, yes, publish immediately, visibility public. Okay, so featured images option is there, expert, so we can publish it now. Publish. Now that post is published, so now let's copy this link. Now link is copied, so hopefully this video was helpful for you. And this is live, and this was a short video on how to make a WordPress website, how to make the first post, and now we will make more tutorials on later on this also.